Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 11th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So gold ended up going up to that 78% Fibonacci retracement level that I've been talking about for like a week. I've been saying that price is likely going to go up to here for the next area of resistance. Now, it doesn't really necessarily have to stop here. If it makes a pullback and then just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then you would definitely keep on looking for longs. But this could possibly be an area where wave B ends on the daily. So if it does something like this, goes up, makes a double top at a Fibonacci level, then goes down and gives us a break of structure, and at that point we definitely want to become very bearish because it could be the start of a very big downtrend on the higher time frames. But there's absolutely no proof of that yet. And like I said, that we could get a pullback and another continuation of the uptrend. Gold definitely doesn't have to stop here. With gold, it's very hard not to be bullish because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily time frames are technically all still in big uptrends, potentially still in a wave three on the weekly and monthly time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.